What don't women understand about men? I had an interesting conversation about this with a female friend recently. We'd been talking about male aggression against women, which had been in the news a lot in the UK after the murder of Sarah Everard by a serving policeman and the subsequent demonstrations. At some point, she mentioned the Margaret Atwood quote, "Men are scared women are going to laugh at them. Women are scared men are going to kill them." I pointed out something that surprised her. Men are often scared of other men too. I pointed out that as a teenager, most young men I knew had at some point been victim to some kind of random violence, or at the very least, the threat of it. Being randomly punched, headbutted, or threatened with violence wasn't uncommon. In fact, it was so common that it barely registered. It was just a fact of life. We learn to avoid direct eye contact with men we don't know, in case it's seen as a challenge. We learn how to appear physically confident to avoid being picked on, not to intimidate. We learn to ignore slights and insults that could escalate to violence and deflect it with humor. If we don't leap to a woman's defense when a group of men is catcalling her, it's probably because we know the group of men are unlikely to actually assault her, but would happily beat the living daylights out of us for fun. Rather than